Morning, folks. Yeah, I got the glasses on because I have to see what I'm doing this morning. Spring looks like it's here. Snow is almost all melted. Not going to show you that. You know what snow looks like. Oh, look at this. I just seen this on in the garage there, right? Picture of my my old, not my old, but the tractor at the camp. I guess this is, oh yeah, this was, I had taken some pictures to, this here is my wheel horse tractor. This is the snow machine. I'll be oiling that up, prevent it from rusting through the summer. And hey, okay, I want to show you something. I'm charging that. It's not, see, this tractor is hard on batteries, eh? It goes through about a battery every 2 years, but this year I decided I put, well, okay, hang on. The whole story is, I gotta tell you, this is Husqvarna. This is the riding mower, I don't know, articulating riding mower. I bought a battery last year, right there. Where is it? Right there. Anyways, and this winter I decided not to take it off. What I did is I put a battery maintainer on it through the winter. And then, okay, let's get back to the Toro wheel horse here. See, I decided to put a power pack. And this is what I started the wheel horse through the winter with. The snowblower with the power pack. And that was the source of, because you know how many little batteries are you gonna buy? And I found that it doesn't matter how many you have, 2-3 years at the most, that's it. You have to heave them because they're no good no more. And even these power supplies, well, you gotta buy batteries for those too. So I said I can take that power supply off. Really what I want to do is I want to take the wires, but that's for another day, not there yet, but take the wires for the ignition, bring them out on posts on the outside, and then have the power supply just in a spot, a handy spot, maybe inside the cab, I don't know. And then I'll just hook up the two clamps that you clamp on the batteries. I'll just hook them up to the two terminals, and away I go. And then when I store it, I just take that battery pack off of it, so I won't need a battery for this little trial. By the way, see, it needs, this is a problem. See this here, folks? See? Look at that. Not even any primer under there, eh? It's incredible. Bah, I don't know. I'll just fix it up. I have to sandblast that, then repaint it. Well, the whole cab. I'm gonna redo it one day. I don't know if it's, until then, I'm just gonna oil it until I have time to do it. But anyways, I usually put the, where is it? This stuff here. Hang on. Yeah, you're seeing my, there, rust check. Either that or, hang on, I show, but this is not what this video this morning is all about, eh? Where is it? Right here. This here, fluid film. This is very good stuff too. This is my shelf, eh? With all, see, I got a lot of quick start, eh? See, yeah, I'm not shy, eh? When it doesn't want to start. There, this is good stuff too. Seafoam. And I always put that. Oh, I'm gonna have to go buy myself some more. I have some at the camp, but oh, this here too, eh? See this? Maybe I'll take, there's still some more, there's still some more in there, eh? I may just take the shotgun and See, that's a gun. All I do is I hook the air on that, and I can shoot the snow blower before I put it away. Anyways, oh, I even have another can down here. My God. Oh, there's not much left in that. Anyways, it's car medic. There's so many things, eh? Oh yeah, that's right. I want to show you that one day. Show you the trick about opening that. Anyway, the whole thing here today was to show you. Okay, on this here is a Ryder. Hang on, Ryder 155 by. Ooh, what's this? Oh, that's the number of the Husqvarna. That was, ooh, something stuck to the muffler there. Must have been hot sometime, eh? Yeah, I was looking for the number of the oil filter because I want to go buy. I gotta buy an air filter, but hang on. I'll put you in here first. Yeah, kind of jerky. Ooh, my lens is kind of dirty, eh? Hey, I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. See this? This in the meantime. I'm gonna go this week, but I took the number down. The number for the filter, I took it down. It's 1208316. But in the meantime, I just kind of you pass the air from the inside going towards the outside. Don't. It's easy, eh? To pass it on the outside going in. That's no good. Yeah, from the inside. It's not that bad. But these things have to breathe. So it's a good practice. I'm gonna stop spraying. I'm gonna wipe the base of where the filter goes. See this tractor here? It's my daughter that gave it to me. She's a kinder old man, eh? Okay, I'm just gonna shoot a little bit of air here. Just, woo. There. A little bit of air, some more. Okay. Now I'm gonna, put that there. Is that how that goes? Yes. But there's still a little foam. That's for the big crud. I'm gonna just blast this. See, there's a lot of stuff in there. I figured I'd do a video like this. Hang on, you can't see me. Figure I'd do a video like this morning because you must be tired of my stories, eh? Ooh. Guess it. I won't talk. See, you can't. How do you say that? You can't critique a given horse. My daughter gave me this, and I guess she gave me this on account that for her, this lawnmower, because the deck is low in front, and they have a lot of on the lawn of their house. They have a lot of oh my God, yes, I'm gonna clean this inside. Have a lot of roots around the big pine trees on the front lawn, eh? And they have grass under them. And this lawnmower, it's a bit, cuts a bit close to the soil, and needless to say, they got this lawnmower in front there. It's got the biggest fault is it's got a timing belt on the blades, and as soon as you hook something, you break a shear pin on one of the blades. It's got 3 blades in front. One day I may show you that. And as soon as you break one shear pin, badang, the whole story's over. You're gonna break the tree, and the blades are gonna hit, and it's gonna make a massacre. Hey, maybe the number for the filter was on here. Talks about the winter. It talks about the oil filter. Hang on. Oh. No, it doesn't tell you what to replace it with. Hang on. See, this'll do. This'll do until this'll do until I get the new air filter and the new oil filter. So I don't know when I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna go check on the internet. Whoa. You see, can't send the boy to do a man's job, eh? See, I forgot to put this little thing first. Okay, and that holds the filter down tight, and then you put the other there. Now you're gonna put this thing. This is a Crawler Command Pro 15.5 cubic inch. I don't know. I don't know if they got good reviews, bad reviews, or what kind of reviews. Now, hang on, I'm gonna lower this. See right here? Right there. I'm gonna have to loosen this. Oh my God. There's no way I'm gonna have to get I don't know that I have hang on, I gotta get a tool for this. Okay, I'm back. Now I got the tool. See this, folks? Yes. It must be 4 or 5 inches in between here. I guess it's not every homeowner that needs a pair of these, but it comes in handy. See, this used to have that. Oh, we're working in the trade. Electrical trade, and used to use those for big tech connectors. Now I'm looking for the number on this. It's rare. Hey, where did they put oil filter? Yeah, WS. Okay, WS 48.5. Okay, hang on. I'll cut you out again. And I'll come back after. Hey, folks, that's it. So that's, I'm not done. It's just a preparatory tune-up in lieu of the real tune-up that's coming shortly. It's gonna get nicer out there today. It's raining again. It's it's not the best for the camp there. We're gonna be May, I think, before we end up there. Snow is just they're flooding all over, but nothing to to go to the camp there. It's gotta melt, and there's a lot of ice in that snow, and there's 3 feet of it in the road. So I could go up there, snowshoe to the camp, get the tractor out. And I got a blower up there, but I didn't bother putting it on last autumn. I guess I was figuring that we weren't going to get, because of the bees were so high up in the trees, I figured we weren't going to get no snow. Big mistake that was. Ooh, there's a lot of light in here, eh? I should lower this camera a little bit. Anyway, so needless to say, now we have to wait. It's gonna go eventually, but I'm getting impatient there. Okay, for now we're saying salute yous all. Hope you like a little bit this one. It's probably not the best. The better ones are coming, eh? I know I keep telling you this. It's when we end up at the camp. Then we'll maybe do a few fireside stories with Gator. Old fishing stories, eh? Of places I went. I got one there. I gotta show you. That's another one I gotta make. They show you how to open locks with a little pinball hammer. Not knocking the living daylights out of the lock. Just, you'll see. You have to be patient. Okay, I salute you all, and we'll see you in the next one.